Today's homeowners are sitting on a tremendous amount of equity. Let me show you what I mean. According to the latest data, over 2/3 have more than 50% equity in their homes. Here's why that's such a big deal if you're looking to move. When you sell, you can use the equity you have in your home to help you buy your next house. You may actually have enough to cover some, if not all, of your down payment. And if you've been in your house for a while, it might even be enough for you to buy your next place in cash. Want to know how much equity you've got? I'll do a professional equity assessment report just for you. Go ahead and reach out to me today and we'll get the ball rolling. I'm Theresa Grant, your local realtor. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.